Hey y'all, welcome to Chandra's Likes. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that notification bell. Okay, so today we're going to talk about some freebies that you can get when you register for your baby registry. So some of the places that I know of for sure are Target, Amazon, and Walmart, and I'm sure there's some others out there. Okay, so all you have to do with the in order to get your free Target registry gift bag, you just have to create your registry. Now you must go in store to start your registry, and then that's when they will give you your gift bag. So it comes in this nice, cute little reusable cloud bag. So some of the things include, and this is a this is by Philips. It's a natural bottle. So let's see. It only holds like 4 fluid ounces, so I'm assuming this will be more so good for like a newborn maybe. It also comes with a little sample of the Honest Diapers. So they give you 2, and these are newborn sizes, I believe. Let's see, I think they are. I think I saw something that said newborn. Maybe not. No, sorry, it's right here in front of my face. Size 1 diapers, such a difference. So of course this will hold 8 to 14 pound babies. So you get 2 samples of the diapers, and then they give you wipes. So really, like a lot of this stuff that they give you, like when you do your baby registry, a lot of this stuff is like kind of good for like travel bags. Like if you're traveling and you just need, and not necessarily like a long trip, but if you just need like just small items and you don't need to bring everything. So Pampers provides like 1 little pamper, and let's see what size this is. I think it's on the actual pamper. Yeah, so this is also a size 1. Now I went ahead and opened this, and I just happened to open it. There were some coupons in there, so be sure when you get your little freebies, be sure to kind of look through everything, because I saw where the coupon like definitely expires. I think it was like before November. So be sure to kind of get those coupons along with the other things that come in your bag also. And then this is the Up and Up brand, the Target brand. And so this is a size 1 sample of their diapers. The water wipes, this is pretty new in the market. Dr. Brown's bottle. You got some Aveeno, Johnson & Johnson. Oh, here's a pacifier, a Nook pacifier. Some Eucerin, and also some 2 disposable nursing pads and 2 breast milk storage bags. So it comes with a ton of freebies and also a bunch of coupons too. So you can just like flip through the book and have like a lot of coupons through there that you can use. Okay, so there's this company called the BuyBuyBaby Box company, and you can simply just like sign up to receive like a free little gift. And so this is what it comes in, the little packaging. So it's like a little bag, and they have like some coupons in here. And this has like nursing pillows, the car seat cover. They're like different coupons that come in here. And then they also sent like a little muslin cloth blanket. The little zebras on it. Y'all forgive me if you see this is a Nike bag, but the items that are in here actually came from after registering for my Walmart baby registry. They sent some items, but the box was damaged. It was actually wet when it got here. Luckily the items inside were not wet, but some of the paper items, like just some welcome things that they had in there got wet, so that's fine. But some things that came in here. So you got 3 diapers. They're size 2. These are the pure Pampers. Again, another Dr. Brown bottle. This is the Carter's line called Child Line. So this is a, I think when I look, yeah, it's a newborn onesie. You have some Dress Stage 1 laundry detergent. This is the Nano Baby or I'm not sure how to pronounce it. But it comes with a pacifier and also some breast milk storage bags. And I'm actually interested in their bottles. They seem to be like really good bottles for breastfed babies. Got some Pampers wipes. Again, some disposable nursing pads and breast milk storage bags. Some Destin diaper rash cream. Some Aveeno. Oh, this is like a sample pack of Enfamil, but I don't plan on using it, so hopefully I won't need it. And some Palmer's Cocoa Butter Stretch Mark Cream. And some really small sample of Aquaphor. Okay, so also another registry that I have is the Amazon registry. However, with that registry, you do have to purchase something from your registry, and it has to be at least $10. So I haven't done that yet, but I plan on doing it because I've heard that their baby registry gift box is really nice. So you just have to purchase, like I said, at least one item that's at least $10, and then they'll send you the gift box. I didn't register for all of these places, but in another video I'm gonna tell you how, like, all of these registries that I have, how I was able to compile them into one, and it's through a website called Baby List. So be sure to stay tuned for that new episode about Baby List. But I believe BuyBuyBaby also has kind of like a little welcome bag, but you have to go in store to get it, and I think the nearest one for me is kind of far, so I don't know if I'll actually get out to be able to go get that. If I think of some more baby registries that come with some type of free gift bag or box, I'll be sure to place it in the description below. Again, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see y'all next time.